Look and match. Drag the correct word. Write the correct word. Singer, farmer, driver, photographer, postman, doctor. Write in your textbook. Singer, farmer, driver, photographer, postman. Doctor. Look and say. Write farmer, singer, driver, photographer, postman, doctor. Answer the questions. Question 1. Who grows food? Question 2. Who helps sick people? Question 3. Who brings letters to people? Question 4. Who takes photos? Question 5. Who drives a car or a bus? Question 6. Who sings songs? Choose and click the correct picture to match with the question below. Who grows food? The farmer grows food. The nurse helps sick people. The postman brings letters to people. The photographer takes photos. The driver drives a car or a bus. The singer sings songs professionally. Pair work. Point to a picture in Activity A. Say the name of the occupation.
Do Activity C from your textbook.
Look at the pictures. Who are they? What are they doing?